Motorfaders, LED band feedback, color displays, and attribute encoders. All this and many more is now possible with the new version of pam-OSC. So, let's get started. First of all, let's select the group. Make sure we are in the dimmer mode, and with our attribute encoder, we put them to 100%. Go into tilt, put them a little bit up, and set the align, go to pan, and now we can create a little round circle. Now, maybe let's do this in green. So we remove our red and our blue so that we have this in green. Okay, nice look. Let's start this into a sequence. As you can see, the fader moves up and we already have the name sequence there. So go ahead and rename this to maybe circle. Okay, now let's go ahead and maybe create a blue one. So we put the blue back up and put the green down. And we also store this inside of the sequence, create a second queue. And let's label the first queue to green and the second queue to blue. Okay, now let's start the sequence. As you can see, immediately it updates the queue name. Let's go into our second queue, everything goes blue, and we have the queue name blue there. Alright, nice. Maybe we want to change now the color of the display. So we can just assign an appearance to that sequence, and voila, it changed the color of the display. Now we want to add a group to our fader. So we can select our group. We also have it. As you can see, the fader moved already up, and we want groups in blue. So we assign a blue appearance to that, and the group turns blue. Alright. Isn't that nice? Now, maybe we want to have the master fader. Also no problem. Let's go to our last fader, select the master and the grandmaster. And as you can see, everything is working fine. If we now move it over there, everything is working. Great. Okay, let's now say we want an even odd flash on our X keys. So we select our group, go into the matrix, group 2, and first, as you can see now, all these are selected, we go to our attribute and full. Let's store this. Let's store this into our first X key, everything, and select the other ones, we already in there, let's put them into full, and store them there. Alright. Now we change the handle, and instead of the group class, we want to have the flash. And for the next sequence, we want to have. Okay. And now we can have a very nice even odd effect. And if we put the cycle up a little bit, there we have it, change the color. Alright. Okay, let's say maybe we have a cherry one light up. So let's select our first fixture and enable highlight. I can do this with the quick key or somewhere touch. And as you can see, the button lights up directly. And this toggles the highlight. Same applies for blind, for example, then the LED lights up. So you already see when you accidentally are in blind mode or something. Okay. Let's go to our tilt. We tilt this a little bit up and go a little bit around with the pan. Something like that. And maybe we want to narrow down the zoom a little bit. Now we can go through our moving heads, like to the end, and then we do the same for the other side. And let's say maybe we want to, maybe the steps we can do here with the panning are too big. That's no problem. We can enable the fine mode, and let's go here to the position. As you can see, we are now going in the 10 steps. Normally we go up one, but we can also enable the big mode, so then we go 10 steps upwards or downwards. Of course, pagination just works as you intended. You can go up and downwards with the button, or even on screen. You can see we are now on the Vegas page. So if I start the first X key, you can see we have a really nice looking Vegas effect. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, just leave a like or subscribe to the channel. And if you want to try it out yourself, the links are in the description. It also works with the normal xTouch or many other MIDI controllers. Just check it out.